The job will focus today on dress code and communication skills during a job interview. How do you dress during a job interview? Okay, usually an employer wants you to be presentable, simple, neutral because you will also to target on your dress presentation. You have to dress according to the company environment. Visit the company before the interview that to see the employee's clothing style and avoid clothes that may hide for action. Which color is best for this situation? Okay. Indeed, opt for neutral, navy blue, gray, black and add color accessory to show your dynamism, your energy. And do not forget to do some tests before your interview. It is advisable to release the waist, the neck so that your gestures are clearly visible and affirm. According to your morphology, for one people, for example, choose unique clothes to choose the silhouette. For thin people, avoid clothes too wide that will make you look will a candidate arises. Two, do dress according to your job, for example, for graphic designer one original color. For a secretary or a manager, it is advisable to wear a modern navy blue suit to present your student and your organization. Also remember to bring your documents. What to note. Avoid being too strict in a creative environment. Avoid clothes because it is a sign of negligence. Avoid impose accessory, makeup to brag. Avoid clothes too sexy. Remember to bring a bag that can contain your curriculum value. Do you have any question? Well, then we move on to communication techniques. When you express yourself clearly so that your interlocutor can understand you. In the first place, you will be asked the following question. Do you present? Before you have to inquire with the company to know who will be your contact. It is a consultant, a human resource manager or a manager. The first will be interested in your skills, will that aid of human resource will look more on your personality. Finally, the manager will be sensitive to the operation and dimension, your profile, your know-how. Remember to present your creation to summarize your experience according to the position proposed, but also present your skills. We know how your quality, for example, your recall, you must be methodical, honest, welcoming, attentive, curious, cautious, forward-looking, enthusiastic, positive, but above all, try not to overly to stick to so that your interlocutor has the times to ask you to delve deeper into certain points of interest to him. Showing your interlocutor that you have informed yourself about their company will prove that you are a motivated candidate. As the interviewer question to participate in the interview. Present an innovative project will be a trigger for your collaboration in the company. Do you have any question? The cost is over, and if you have other ideas to give you thanks about leaving them in the forum. Thank you for your attention.